Today I am going to make a beautiful flower with paper. Yes, it is very easy to make. Let us start. Fold the paper like this. I have taken a long sheet of paper like this. I have already folded it once, and now again I am folding like this. Once again fold like this. Here I have got 4 centimeter width, but this is not necessary. It could be 3 centimeter or even 5 centimeter. I am cutting through the lines which I have got by folding. Cut through this line also. Then I have got 4 long strips of paper. Now I am going to fold it lengthwise. Carefully fold it by half. I'll be showing different types of flowers with these 4 strips. In this video, I'll show you one flower. Please do subscribe my channel. Press bell icon also. Select all so that you will get notification when I post new videos. Okay, I have folded it twice. Once again I am folding like this. Now I am taking the open ends. This is folded ends. Taking open ends and cutting like this.